Make this tulip raffia bag in a day. The ready-made base makes it easy, with full tulips and a fresh summer feel. Please like and save it. Use one ball each of light green, warm white, and red raffia yarn. The base has 36 holes and is about 15 centimeters wide. The bag body is about 20 centimeters tall. Use 2 strands together for a fuller result, pulling one strand from the center and one from outside. Use a 3.5 millimeter hook. Insert through a hole in the ready-made base and pull up the yarn. Chain 1. It does not count as a stitch. Make 2 single crochets in the same hole, crocheting over the yarn tail, then 1 more single crochet. Work 2 single crochets in every hole for 72 single crochets total. Continue around until you have 72 single crochets. Finish the round with 72 single crochets. Begin the first body round. Chain 1 and make 1 single crochet in the slip stitch space. Mark the first stitch. Work 1 plain round of single crochet with no increases or decreases. Make 72 single crochets in total. Slip stitch to the first stitch. Tighten the loop. For round 2, chain 1 and make 1 single crochet in the same space. For the second stitch, insert below the single crochet and make 1 lowered single crochet. That is a lowered single crochet. Make a regular single crochet in the third stitch and a lowered one in the fourth. Repeat 1 regular and 1 lowered single crochet around the round. Finish with a lowered single crochet. Slip stitch to the first stitch and chain 1 for round 3. Make a lowered stitch first. Make a regular stitch in the second. Make a lowered stitch in the third. Make a regular single crochet in the fourth alternating the 2 stitches. Leave the final double crochet unfinished and change to green. Tighten the loop, complete the color change, and cut the old yarn. For round 4, chain 1 and make 1 regular single crochet. Make a lowered stitch in the second. Finish the round by alternating 1 regular and 1 lowered single crochet. You now have 6 lowered stitch rounds. Work the color sequence, then begin round 8 with crossed double crochet and chain 2. Double crochet in the second stitch. Mark the first stitch, then return to the first stitch and make a double crochet. This forms a crossed stitch. Make a double crochet in the second stitch. Return to the first and double crochet. Repeat this cross-stitch pattern around. Finish the round and slip stitch into the first stitch. For round 9, chain 1 and make plain single crochets on the previous round's double crochets. Change to green yarn for the leaves. Slip stitch to the first stitch. Tighten both loops. Cut the old yarn. Lay the tails over the green yarn. For round 10, chain 3. Mark the third chain. Chain 2 more, then make 1 double crochet in the same space. That completes 1 leaf group. Leave the tails at the back. Skip 2 stitches and make 1 double crochet in the third stitch. Chain 2. Make another double crochet in the same space. The second leaf is complete. Repeat skip 2 stitches, then make 1 double crochet, 2 chains, and 1 double crochet in the 3rd stitch. Work 20 4 leaves. After the last leaf, slip stitch at the marker. Tighten the loop. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Weave in the tail. For round 11, begin the flowers. Insert into the 2 chain space of the previous round and pull through red yarn. Chain 3, then make 5 double crochets in the same space, crocheting over the green tail. Pull up the loop. Pull up the loop again. Insert into the first double crochet and pass through the loop you just made. Pull through to form a 5 double crochet popcorn stitch. Chain 1, mark the first stitch, then chain 2 more. Make a popcorn in the next leaf. Chain 3. Repeat for 20 4 flowers, then slip stitch at the marker. Cut the red yarn. Change back to the base color and work 1 round of single crochet from the slip stitch space. Make 2 singles in the chain space. Make 1 more single crochet. Make 1 single crochet above the flower. Make 2 singles in the next space. Make 1 single crochet above the flower. Finish the remaining single crochets. Repeat the earlier sequence lowered stitch rounds, crossed stitches, plain stitches, leaves, and flowers. Here is 1 more lowered stitch round. Make a regular single crochet first, then a lowered single crochet below the next stitch. Make a regular stitch in the third. Make a lowered stitch in the fourth. Repeat to finish the body. Cut the yarn, pull out the tail, thread a tapestry needle, and pass through the first stitch. Pass through the upper loop of the final stitch and tighten. Weave the tail into the back. Trim the excess. Work rounds 1 through 11 as one repeat. Make 2 repeats. Then after the second flower, work 1 single crochet round, 3 lowered stitch rounds, and 1 final plain round. The strap uses the same 2-strand raffia and an adjustable slip knot. Its separate video tutorial is available. This tutorial is complete. Bye for now.